Moving day is fast approaching, and the thought of packing up everything you own can be overwhelming. Maybe you've packed a few things, but there's still so much left to do. Don't worry. That's where the professional moving experts at 3 Movers come in. We've got you covered from start to finish, and today, we'll show you why we're the best choice for your Santa Barbara move. With over 20 years of experience, 3 Movers is the trusted name in moving services in Santa Barbara. We specialize in both local and long-distance moves, offering everything from packing and loading to delivery and unpacking. No matter the size or complexity of your move, we're here to make it as stress-free as possible. Moving doesn't have to break the bank. At 3 Movers, we offer affordable moving services with transparent pricing. Plus, we provide free quotes so you'll always know what to expect before we even begin. Our goal is to make sure you have an excellent moving experience without any hidden fees. Planning a long-distance move? Let us handle the hard work while you focus on the important stuff. Whether you're moving across the state or to another part of the country, 3 Movers offers long-distance hauling with protective packing to keep your belongings safe during the journey. You won't have to worry about your things getting damaged. We've got it covered. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more moving tips and services. Let 3 Movers make your next move the best one yet.